Biosecurity measures at Irish ports are being reviewed in light of the discovery of 2 Asian hornet nests in Cork. An Asian hornet was also found in the Inchicore area of Dublin. However, that's believed to be a single insect and that there is not an active nest in the Dublin area. However, the discovery of the 2 nests in Cork, one in Ballintemple on the south side of Cork City and the other in Cove and Cork Harbour, has prompted concern amongst Irish wildlife officials. The Asian hornet is extremely aggressive and poses a major threat to honeybee populations in any area where it becomes established. The concern is that the Cork insects arrived by piggybacking on board a car, a truck, or a camper van on ferries from the continent. European studies have shown that in areas where the Asian hornet has spread, it has established itself initially in areas close to ports and freight depots. Food traps are now being used to ensure that there are no further nests in Ireland. DNA and forensic tests will also be conducted on the nests discovered and dealt with in Cork in a bid to try and trace their linkage to any nests on the continent. The Asian hornet first arrived in Europe in 2004 and since then has become a serious threat in countries like France and Spain. Some popular beach resorts in Spain are now experiencing major issues with Asian hornets on beaches, piers, and promenades. However, the primary concern involving the Asian hornet is to do with its impact on pollinator insects such as honeybees. A single active Asian hornet nest can consume between 10 and 12 kilograms of pollinator insects such as honeybees in a single breeding season.